we have here is another system low on refrigerant. First suspect is kind of a usual suspect. Get a little bit of a rough looking filter dryer here. So, a quick electronic leak test here. Customers had somebody else out here saying there was a leak in the line set. Truly undetermined, just a little bit unsure of their diagnostic practices. So I approached the liquid line dryer here, see it kind of rusty and not looking in real great shape. So I'm going to pull out the leak detector here, and the first thing I get is pretty much success. You can see I'm not real close to that bit, and it's going off. For sure, sniff of refrigerant here. So, long and short of this one is just kind of start in the most obvious places, and you usually have success. Not always, but usually. So, again, you can hear the leak detector going off. Unit just fired up, so you can see our bubbles here. Our bubbles. Perfectly obvious leak. So, another successful leak search. We'll give the customer the information, give them a price to repair, and if we do the repairs, I'll try to capture some of that on video as well.